but the mandate to govern the country and to actualize or put their policies in practice is not within our means. We are addressing Mr. President, Arab Samoei Ruto, that Mr. President, the clear message we are sending to you is that it is not working. The economy is not working. The education system is collapsing. Health sector is collapsing. Agriculture, which is the backbone of the nation, is collapsing. When will you sit down? When will you open your ears and listen to us? Whatever you promised, we are not seeing. We are pleading with the government to put the manifestos they presented before us during campaigns into practice. We will only believe this government if they actualize or if they put the things they said in manifestos into practice. We are tired of seeing our siblings or next of kin dying without proper medication because the SHA, the Taifa Care is not functional, Mr. President.
Shut up.
Mr. President, how do you feel when somebody is dying because there is no means of transport to the hospital because of poor roads? Mr. President, why do we have economic sabotage in some parts of this nation? Not everyone will be happy with this opinion. Kwa Mbunge Mwananchi. The reality is, Mr. Zimepita, tumekuwa tukijaribu kuongea dhidi ya ukabila ili tuzuie ukabila, lakini kuna yale mambo ambayo yanaendelea pale mtandaoni ambayo hayatufurahishi. Kuna watu hapa mtandaoni, kama kuna mmoja kila siku akifungua mtandao SOW TV, something like the same, is a young guy and he always call the former Prime Minister Babafua. I know you have your political leaders. We also have our political leaders and we demand respect. Calling Raila all the time Babafua is not a good thing. The only thing we can tell Raila, yes, if he joins Ruto, what we need, we want this economy to work. Whichever they eat with Ruto, we don't care. But so long as if this economy can work, we have no business with their meetings. Whether Ruto meets Uhuru Kenyatta, whether Raila meets Ruto, but so long as we have a working economy where I can open my business and I sell my own product and now I can help my family, it's a good thing. Sasa, watu wa mlima, let me say this to you. Which tribe have you ever voted for since the independence? I would like to advise you to be accommodative. If you rally behind another community come 2027, the whole country will see that you are very genuine. But now, kujificha nyuma ya Gachagua, kujificha nyuma ya Raila sijui na Ruto muambie Ruto must go is not a good thing. When it comes to voting, you are tribal. But when it is a mambo affecting Kenyans, you call Raila Babafua. We are not happy. Even if we are not happy with some things which Raila might have done, but we are also not happy with your utterances. We need peace in this nation. Come 2027, people of Mulima, kindly bring us a candidate who is not a person from Mulima. Tell us that you are rallying behind Mudavadi. Tell us you are rallying behind Okia Mtata. Tell us you are rallying behind Raila Odinga so that we can believe you. But waking up in the morning telling us Babafua. When we are going to vote, you tell us how we are not circumcised.
Wind up.
We are not lesser beings. We know the country is affected economically and now you are feeling it. It's when you are now calling for unity. Please, we need this unity together to remove this rogue government from power. Tutashikana pamoja msipotuletea candidate ambaye si Mkikuyu. Sababu mlituambia eti nyinyi kama mwezi kuwa president lazima mkuwe running mate. Kama mwezi kuwa running mate lazima mkuwe na president. Alafu last election mkafanya mkapiga betting ya double chance. Mkachukua Karua mkaweka huku, mkachukua Gachagua mkaweka huku. Hiyo multi bet mnaweka mwache. Shikeni bet moja, mwindi akikula pesa yenu, mulale hapo mngoje congratulations midnight, mkikosa mutulie. Lazima tu niwaongeleshe bro.
Okay, time yako imeisha.
Time yangu